What's up, YouTube? Let me go with MR Auto Detail once again. I wanted to share my results. I made a video earlier with the '05 Impala. I did that headlight, the driver's side. I still got the passenger side to go. Passenger, can't even speak. Look at that. All right. So, anyways, this is my results, man. I did exactly what I told y'all I was gonna do with the sanding. So I just had to start with a very low grit on the sandpaper, just because these things are very oxidated, and then you got to get all this clear coat off. So I did hit with the 200 and worked my way up all the way to 2500 grit, and just continue just hitting it, and here's the results. Look at this. I mean, this thing looks brand new all over again. There's a few spots that I kind of gave up on. Oh, look at my gloves. So you can see here. So I'm gonna definitely concentrate on the other side and make sure that I get every little bit of clear off the headlight, the original clear. Because if not, you're gonna get the leftover, which that's what it looks like. Can't tell from a distance. But yeah, so I ended up doing the fog light as well. But yeah, just make sure that if you're definitely gonna do the steps, just make sure you work your way through and just get these spots off. I gave up. I got tired. I don't know why. I didn't continue doing it. I should have kept going. But it is what it is. But yeah, I'm definitely happy with the results. You guys can see. So not only that I put a coat of wax, I ended up putting some 303 on it. I soaked it with 303, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I wiped it down, and then I added the coat of wax, which is the wires, the ultimate paste wax. That's what I used to give that seal. But yeah, so went from this, and this is nasty, this is bad. And the fog light, it looks a lot worse. It looks actually pretty clear on the lens here from my phone, but it's not. It's pretty bad. And yeah, you guys can see at an angle how bad this thing is. Like, this is horrible. To this. So there you go, guys. It's exactly the tools that I used. I told you I was going to be using my wires, cutting pad, and my grilled waxing pad, my finishing pad. And here's my Harbor Freight DA. And to top it off, I decided to do a test and see what the kind of results I got. So I ended up using my turtle wax rubbing compound. I ended up using that instead of my wires 105. I actually have a bottle of this. I've had it for a while, so I wanted to definitely use this up and get rid of it. I don't like to throw things away. Everything costs money. So yeah, that's what I used. I used that with my compounding pad, and I still got the same exact results. So there's no reason for anybody to go out there and bash on any product or say that one product works better than the other. I like to experiment on my own and figure things out. That's how you're gonna get the best results, guys. Don't listen to everybody out there in the world telling you exactly what to do, how to use things, what to buy, what to stay away from. I mean, I'm getting the same exact results. And I'm using turtle wax. and I ended up using my ultimate polish. So on this headlight here, I'm definitely going to be using the 105 and my 205 for my wires, and then that way we can compare and see if there's any difference. I honestly don't think there's going to be any difference on it. But yeah, there you guys go. This is the results. Man, these things look brand new. Perfect, YouTube. Well, I appreciate the support, man. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I got more videos coming up, and it's definitely gonna show you and give you the results, so this way you can keep your own car maintained and looking this good, going from that to that. So alright guys, appreciate the support, man. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and you can always reach out to me. And you know, I'm on Facebook too, on MR Auto Detail. Just look me up, and you know, hit me up if you have any questions. Thanks guys.